How about a steak dinner, guys? Happy anniversary to my wife. Love you, babe.
Love you.
How about a steak dinner, guys? Happy anniversary to my wife. Love you, babe.
Love you.
Alright, guys, let's go try our steak here. So we have ribeye steak, some grilled asparagus, some roasted potatoes, of course the chimichurri sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Got my wife here. This is our little special dinner.
Anniversary dinner.
Anniversary dinner. So made dinner for my wife. Love you, babe.
Love you.
Happy anniversary. So go for it. Do the honor.
All right.
Sorry, I've been running around.
Okay, taste test. See?
Yeah.
One for you, one for me too.
Yeah.
Alrighty, where do I begin?
You can begin wherever you want.
I like the end. Yeah.
Let's grab some asparagus. Grab some potatoes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Alright.
Oh yeah.
Mmm. Chimichurri.
How's the chimichurri?
Love it. With that vinegar, garlicky, parsley.
Cilantro, salt and black pepper, and olive oil. Very simple, and it's delicious.
Well, yeah, simple, homemade, but you can actually serve this at a restaurant. So, You know, this is really good quality. You got the
Some ribeye.
steak is perfectly cooked. And of course, I got the inside. I got some crust, the smokiness, and just
Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll cut some more.
it's just really good. Okay, I'll get some of that chimichurri too. Cheers.
Sure. The perfect bite. Cheers.
Cheers. I love that vinegar. I love that combination of the steak. It just cuts the, I guess, the richness of the steak, so it balances it out with the vinegar and the herbs.
The extra
Elevates it.
There you go.
Okay, potato. I'm gonna try the potatoes.
So good.
All right, huh? It's just very rustic. I guess that was the word that I was looking for. It was It's very rustic because you've got like the outside of it as having like the crispy edges of the potato, but then still having it sweet. I mean, sweet, not sweet, soft. And they say, I guess it's sweet too, but it's very soft on the inside.
That's actually my style of cooking. Very rustic.
Yum.
How about this burger?
Kids are gonna love this. Crunchy.
All right, guys. We just wanted to share with you guys what we were up to on the special day. We'll see you again on the next one, okay? Thank you all so much for watching our videos.
Bye. Thank you.